Welcome back, stalkers. I finally got a new plow. Not new, but new to me. And I'm going to have to do some modifications, I think. This bracket is off of a YJ, the square headlight Jeep, which obviously I do not have. So none of these holes line up. Well, that one kind of lines up, but missing one over here. So while I'm mocking that up, I decided that these have to go away. So those are going to come off. I can't get in there to work on it with them in the way. And I got to take this off anyway because the new plow mounts up here. Well, up here. And it's not going to work unless I take these off so I can get in there and get the bumper off. And honestly, they don't do anything anyway. I mean, there's three itty bitty little bitty screws holding them on. So I'm going to take those off. And yeah, I wouldn't mind some. If somebody's got some advice on how to do these, this is what I got to work with. It's going to go this way. There's the holes. It's I can hang it on that one. So I don't know if I should reuse this, put a longer bolt in here, and drill out for the other one, which I'm going to have to anyway. Make this hole bigger. Put a hole here and use these two bolts with a big fat washer. Or if I should... it's going to stay. Oh, okay, you couldn't see any of that. Okay, here, and then another hole here. Or if I should utilize these holes and drill a hole in the frame. I'm going to have to go back and edit that out, huh? I just had the camera pointed in the wrong spot. Anyway, that's my thought. I can either use the steering bolts for the steering box, or I can recess them like, apparently this was on the YJ. This was where one of the steering box bolts went through, I think. My other plow, the one I had last time, had a big hole over these. So you could still take the bolts out without removing the plate. Now, I'd like to make it removable so in the summertime I can take it off and get my ground clearance back, because that hangs down quite a bit. I don't like it. It's fine for winter for plowing. It's required. But in the summertime, I don't want that thing hanging down there. So, let me know what you think. I'm tempted to... this stuff is so thick. It's 1/4 inch. I'm tempted to use the bolts. And I'm also tempted to maybe raise this whole thing up and use this hole in that slot. I don't know. See what happens. My thought process is it's bolted down there. It's tied to that. It's bolted to the other side. This piece cannot spread. It can't come out this way, so if I just put long bolts through here, put some long bolts, put them through there, maybe thread the plate so the bolt stays in. Do I even need a nut on the back side? I don't know. I do see I have to do some cleaning, because that's pretty nasty. Anyway, let me know what you think. I'll try to video this as I go along. It's supposed to get snow here this weekend. I don't think I'm going to be ready for it, but it looks like it's going to be mostly rain anyway. So let me know in the comments what you think. Use these plates, start over. Use these bolts. Get some flag bolts from Myers. Use this hole. What do you think? What do you think I should do here? And in the meantime, I'm going to start taking these off. Oh, that's a long bolt. Holy moly. Holy moly, that's a long bolt. One underneath. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Might need some juice on this one. Oh, moly. If we can get some magic sauce in there. See in a minute. No. Still need a wrench. All right. See what we got. Oh, there's one more. There's two on the bottom. Wonder if this one's going to come out easy. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Yep. Whatever's inside holding that stripped out. I'm gonna have to cut it off. Hang on. Holy moly. All right. Well, it's out. Well, only 3 more to go. See you in the next one.